All right, guys. Well, last time we went out and played golf, it didn't end well, right? I think it was out in Montana. I think we ran into a couple issues out in Montana last time we played golf.
Well,
there was an equipment failure.
I mean, I don't know if it was an issue. I mean, those four guys will never, ever try to play through ever again, I don't think.
I think you're probably right. But, I vowed that day that I was never going to play golf with the two of you again. Way too much trouble for me. But I'm going to renege on that a little bit because the Collision Repair Education Foundation, their annual golf fundraiser, is not going to happen this year in Philadelphia around CIC because CIC is going to be virtual. So the CREF golf outing this year is also going to be virtual, and I want the two of you to join me, and I'm going to challenge the two of you. I'll have to figure out the prizes at some point, but I'm going to challenge the two of you for the best score. So on July 25th, I want the two of you to join me and hopefully hundreds, maybe thousands of other golfers to support the Collision Repair Education Foundation for only $25. We're going to go online. I need the two of you to go to wgt.com and create a profile and get your avatars all set up and get your equipment set up and start practicing because I'm coming at you hard. So I want to also like to challenge everybody else in the collision repair industry to do the same thing. $25. We can get online, we can have a great day, we can support a fantastic cause of scholarships and tool grants and equipment grants. The first 150 people that sign up are going to get a nice swag bag. There's going to be great prizes and auctions throughout the day, so I'm really looking forward to it. So what do you guys say? You interested? You got any questions for me?
Well, can we go back to the avatar? I mean, do I get to be realistic? I mean, does my avatar look like me? Will Larry's have a Harley Davidson shirt and a chain on his wallet, or is that allowed at the golf club? Or...
I think you need to progress to those levels. But what I also think we could do is we can create a new country club, the Collision Hub Country Club, Chubb Country Club. So anybody that wants to join our team, when they register for it, they can post that they're joining us, #Chubb Country Club. And we'll get this thing rolling, and we'll have our own club. And we can wear Harley Davidson shirts and cut-off jeans and whatever else we want.
Well, and I can put deer on top of the golf cart as we play. I mean, those golf courses are prime hunting grounds for most of the time, and they just kind of waste them with all of their country club rules.
Deer, geese, alligators. I mean, we could have a smorgasbord at Chubb Country Club.
I did. And we can cook them up and eat them later.
Yeah, I got kicked out once for fishing on the 8th hole. Apparently they don't like that. You're not supposed to sit out there and fish.
Well, they're also not happy when you start drinking at 9 o'clock in the morning smoking cigars.
Yeah, that tends to get... I don't think that was their problem, Larry. I think it was the fact that you chased people off with a 9-iron and then broke it around the tree. That might have been what got us in trouble. By the way, Jason, you get welded back together.
The ball wasn't working the way I wanted it to.
Clearly, we got to get the directional balls because that makes all the difference in our success factor. Can you buy?
Hey, listen, I went out the other day. And I played 18 holes. I had 9 hole-in-ones, 6 eagles, and caught a few other holes. I had a 62. That worked out really well, and I even got it in the clown's mouth at the end over at the miniature golf course. So I think I'm all ready.
I thought maybe you were playing with a Kim Jong-un.
Yeah. Out of curiosity, how many drink tickets did we get for signing up for this? Because that was like one of the best parts of the.
So I got good news and bad news. The good news is the drink tickets are unlimited. Ooh. The bad news is you got to pick up your own booze.
Well, that's not fair.
Yeah. Well, although I suspect, knowing Brandon, I would imagine one of those raffle prizes that I'll be raffling all throughout the day is his B-cycled bottles, glasses that he makes. You've seen the shot glasses and the glasses he got. So, although they may not come with booze in it, I'm sure Brandon will probably have a B-cycled package available.
All right. I mean, I think this is kind of cool. So I like the idea of the country club. So Chubb Country Club, I think we make it a Zoom meeting on July 25th, stream it live to Facebook as well, keep the room open and people can come on and join us with their web cameras. We can all play along together, even though we're playing individually in this particular tournament. Correct? Yeah, it's not like a foursome.
It's all individual. Yeah, no. It's not a best ball, a scramble time thing. And you can do it. You can do it on your laptop. You can do it, on the WGT app. your iPad or your Android device or whatever you got. So the options for playing are unlimited. Brandon, the night before the outing, will send out the instructions. So
Okay.
you can play any golf course that you want during the practice, and then the night before, Brandon's going to say, starting at whatever time, start playing this particular golf course, and he's going to let you play as many times as you want and send you your best score. We're just going to need a picture of you and your score together, making sure that we're, it's golf, so there's no cheating in golf ever, right? No foot wedge in this competition.
All right.
As many times you want, submit the score, and then at the end of the day, Brandon will take those best scores. If there's a tie for first place, we'll do a drawing to identify the winner, and there's going to be a fantastic grand prize for the overall winner. But again, there'll also be raffle prizes throughout the day that, again, you can follow on Collision Hub. We'll be announcing some of those raffle prizes throughout the day on July 25th.
All right. Well, I'm going to build my avatar and set up my account. On July 25th, I'm going to open up Zoom. And we can seat up to 1,000 people. Is that right, Jason? Or a little bit more than that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can turn on your webcams, join Larry and me and Jason live. We'll play rounds together. And that's going to maybe get interesting. And I think, Larry, I think we've officially been kicked out of every country club we've ever gone to, even when
but we can't get kicked out of this one. We own this one.
Yeah, so we're good with this one. We can finally make our rules. So if you want to play golf the Chubb style,
yes, profanity is allowed. You must break at least 3 clubs per 9 holes. So if you play 18 holes, you got to break 6 clubs.
There's awards for that. There'll be awards for best temper tantrums. But
Yes.
Everybody will be able to share their screens. We'll be able to watch you play if you're playing on a desktop, or you can set your webcam up to look over your phone, and
There
we
you
can
go.
all kind of look at each other's scores and watch each other and hit replays and just kind of make it where we all kind of come together and for an event that we normally all can't make it to. And I think, Jason, for you and I both, even when we make it to the CIC meeting, we're so busy with work, we don't hardly ever get time to go out to the golf tournament. So this will be fun. All right, Chubb Country, hashtag Chubb Country Club.
Hashtag Chubb Country. I love it.
I like it. So, hey, Jason, get us some instructions on how we sign up and get this done.
All right,
Larry,
so we'll post the link here to Collision Repair Education Foundation.org. There'll be a link to the golf outing. All the information is there. You can sign up on the website. There's a link right to the WGT.com website. You can register online, and I mentioned it's $25 per person. I would also encourage anybody that wants to, would love to have an additional donation. So the foundation has made an area possible. So register for $25 and throw in another 25 or 50 or 100 or 1,000 or whatever you can afford to support the Collision Repair Education Foundation. They do a lot of great work with scholarships, tool grants, supporting schools all across the country. So definitely open up those walls a little bit and support our friends at the foundation.
I think it's fantastic. And for all you gamers out there, it's your chance to finally send all of those old guys that win the tournament every year, send them packing, because now your gaming skills are going to come in way better than their swinging skills ever did. So I think we're going to see a new shuffle at the top of the leaderboard of the CREF golf tournament this year.
I think you might be right.
Yeah, at least I think video should be required. That way we know that some of these guys aren't going and getting their grandkids as ringer to play the game for them.
There you go.
Yeah, I think you should have to post up a video of you actually playing. So awesome. All right, I'm in. Larry, are you in?
I'm in.
Okay, let's do it. Chubb Country Club 2020. Bam.